What if I told you that you could control your cholesterol without a single pill? That you could protect your heart, boost your energy, and enjoy your favorite foods just by making a few smart changes to your daily routine? You heard that right. In today's video, we're diving into how to lower and maintain healthy cholesterol levels naturally, especially if you're over 60. No medications, no extreme diets, just simple, science-backed lifestyle changes anyone can do. Stick around till the end. I'll share a powerful morning habit that can reset your cholesterol in just a few weeks. What is cholesterol and why it matters? Cholesterol isn't all bad. In fact, your body needs it to build cells and produce hormones. But there's a catch. There are two main types: LDL, low-density lipoprotein, known as bad cholesterol. It can build up in your arteries and increase your risk of heart attack or stroke. HDL, high-density lipoprotein, the good cholesterol. It helps remove excess LDL from your bloodstream. After age 60, your cholesterol levels tend to rise, even if your diet hasn't changed. That's because your body becomes less efficient at managing fats. So what's the goal? Lower your LDL, raise your HDL. Avoid unnecessary medications. Here's how to do that naturally. Eat smart, not less. Forget starving yourself or cutting out everything you love. The key is to add the right foods, not just remove the wrong ones. 1. Oats and barley. These are rich in soluble fiber, which helps absorb cholesterol in your digestive system. Tip: start your day with a bowl of oats topped with fruit. 2. Fatty fish. Salmon, mackerel, sardines. Packed with omega-3 fatty acids, they lower LDL and reduce inflammation. Aim for 2 servings per week. 3. Nuts, especially almonds and walnuts. These contain plant sterols and healthy fats that help reduce bad cholesterol. Just a handful a day can make a big difference. 4. Olive oil. Swap out butter or margarine with extra virgin olive oil. It improves heart health and supports good HDL levels. 5. Avoid trans fats, found in processed snacks, fried foods, and baked goods. These boost LDL and lower HDL, a double threat. Move that body. You don't need to run marathons, but your body was made to move. Regular exercise raises your HDL, helps burn excess fat. Lowers triglycerides, another fat linked to heart disease. What works best after 60? Brisk walking, 20 to 30 minutes a day. Swimming or water aerobics, easy on joints. Light strength training, 2 to 3 times a week. Tip: even a 10-minute walk after meals helps regulate fat absorption and blood sugar. Manage stress and sleep. Here's something most people miss. Cholesterol is also affected by your stress and sleep. When you're stressed, your body produces more cortisol, which can raise LDL and triglycerides. Try this: deep breathing exercises, meditation or prayer, listening to calming music, gardening, painting, or any relaxing hobby. And don't underestimate quality sleep. Lack of sleep has been linked to higher cholesterol and weight gain. Aim for 7 to 8 hours of restful sleep every night. The morning habit that works wonders. Now here's a natural cholesterol reset ritual you can start tomorrow. Warm lemon water plus 1 tablespoon ground flax seed. Why it works? Lemon water supports liver function and hydration. Flax seed is high in omega-3s and fiber. It helps reduce LDL and balance hormones. Just mix 1 cup warm water, juice of 1/2 lemon, 1 tablespoon ground flax seed. Drink this on an empty stomach and watch your numbers improve over time. Summary: let's recap how to manage cholesterol naturally. Eat cholesterol-fighting foods like oats, fish, nuts, and olive oil. Move your body daily. lower stress, and improve sleep. Avoid processed junk and trans fats. Start your day with the flaxseed lemon water ritual. You don't need to rely on pills to protect your heart. Your